Well, Astro AI reached out to me again and wanted me to review another one of their air pumps. So let's get into it. All right, here it is. Well, the box anyway. Just want to show you that. A lot of people want to see that kind of stuff. If you need to see it any longer, just pause the video. So anyway, let's get it out of the package and check this thing out. All right. Comes with a book and some other stuff. I have to check to see what all that is. Now the other one was a lot smaller than this. This one here is kind of heavy. This one here is pretty cool. And the other one had a cigarette lighter plug. This one has alligator clips to clip to your battery. And it says it has, I can't remember, a 15-foot, I think, hose. Let me check. Well, it says it comes with a 16-foot air hose. So that's pretty cool. So let's go try it out, right? Oh man, my tire's a little low. Well, let's air it up. Hook them to the battery. It's even got a little light on it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what good the light is, but we'll see. Let's set it right here. Now, before we air this tire up, let's see if we got enough to reach the back. Oops, sorry about that. Hey, look at here. Check this out. We do have enough to reach the back if the back was low. So let's get started on this. Screw it on there. It's not really all that loud like the other one. It doesn't have an auto off on it where you set the pressure and it cuts off when it gets to it though, so you got to watch it. Let's see where we're at. See that? That gets hot. Almost. And then you just unhook it here. And you're good to go. Now the power wire does come with an inline fuse. I didn't check to make sure there was one in there, but obviously there is because it works. I'm gonna hold it around and show you the specs on it. Like I said, it has a light. Pretty cool. Now this thing does get hot though. I mean, it's so hot you don't want to touch that. So you have to let it cool off before you put it up. That's pretty awesome. This comes in a bag. The other one didn't, or it comes with a bag. So this one is definitely going to go in my truck because it'll work for my truck. So thank you. I appreciate it. Well, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.